So let's start with the structure of chloroplast. So chloroplast is also a double membrane structure. The diagram is not very good. So it is outer membrane, now come to inner membrane. There is invagination in inner membrane. Okay, see invagination. This is invagination. So this is inner membrane. So outer membrane is they have less protein and they are permeable. Okay, so outer they are less, they have less protein, and inner membrane has more protein. inner में ज़्यादा protein होता है and they are selectively permeable. And what else? This much. Here I have to write permeable. कैसे लिखूँ? Okay, let it. This is about inner membrane. Okay. Now come to DNA. Here it is DNA. A very important that is stroma. It is stroma and it is rich in enzyme for dark reaction. What I have said, वो enzymes पाए जाते हैं which is rich in dark reaction, मतलब जो dark reaction में help करते हैं वो enzymes पाए जाते हैं. And what is dark reaction? It is also a photosynthetic reaction. Photosynthesis reaction दो types के होते हैं, dark reaction and light reaction. So dark reaction is independent of light. ये नहीं कि वो dark में हो रहा है. And this we will study in detail in photosynthesis. Photosynthesis chapter is there. In that chapter we will study in detail about dark reaction and light reaction. So stroma is rich in enzymes for dark reaction. And what else found? And most abundant is ribosco. Ribosco is most important. Ribulose phosphate carboxylase oxygenase. It is the enzyme most abundant protein in world. And stroma also contains what? Divalent ions. So this is about stroma. Next is thylakoid. We will discuss about thylakoid. Okay, here light reactions takes place. Here it is arranged in bundles, or you can say stack. It is thylakoid light reaction site. And these whole thylakoid, ये पूरा ये thylakoid है जो कि bundles में arranged, they are arranged in stack, and this whole bundle is known as granum. Photosynthetic unit is granum. And what else remaining? And here chlorophyll is found here. यहीं पे chlorophyll पाया जाता है. ठीक है, let me write. Now come to S ribosomes is found. And they are connected. How they are connected? With the help of stroma lamellae. Let me show this diagram. They are interconnected. That grana is interconnected with the help of stroma lamellae. This is stroma lamellae. So this is whole structure of a grana. Now we will take this part. Okay, we will take thylakoid. हम लोग एक thylakoid लेंगे and we will study in detail. Magnified form we are taking of thylakoid. So the structure of thylakoid will be like so this is thylakoid. So this is membrane part. Here chlorophyll is present, and this is lumen part. And साइड में इसके क्या होंगे? अराउंड दिस thylakoid is stroma. This is stroma. And come to appress part and non-appress part. This is appress part. एप्रेस पार्ट क्या होता है? वो मेम्ब्रेन, थाइलाकॉइड का मेम्ब्रेन, ये थाइलाकॉइड है मेम्ब्रेन जो दोनों में कॉमन हो, दोनों थाइलाकॉइड में कॉमन हो. मतलब थाइलाकॉइड का वो मेम्ब्रेन जो दोनों थाइलाकॉइड में कॉमन हो. ओके, एंड दिस इज नॉन एप्रेस पार्ट. In apres part, photosystem second present here. Okay, let me write PS photosystem second takes here, and photosystem 1 takes here. So this is the structure of thylakoid, and this is structure of. Now come to the term, in thylakoid there is also a quantosomes. What is quantosome? Quantosomes, it forms pigment systems. Okay, it forms pigment system, or we can say pigments are found in the form of quantosomes. Quantosomes are particle found in thylakoid, and it is composed of लिपिड्स. माने क्वांटोसोम्स में पिगमेंट सिस्टम फॉर्म होते हैं. इट फॉर्म्स पिगमेंट सिस्टम. यहाँ पे पिगमेंट्स मॉलिक्यूल्स फाउंड होते हैं. ठीक है, दिस क्लोरोफिल, कैरोटिनॉइड, xanthophylls, phycobilins, they all are found here. And it also composed of lipids and proteins, pigments and redox carriers. Quantosomes has about 230 pigments molecules. It includes chlorophyll, A, B, C, etc., carotenoids, xanthophylls, phycobilins. So quantosomes actually में क्या होते हैं? Pigments. They form pigment systems, and you can say photosynthetic unit, and they are found in thylakoid, and is composed of lipid, proteins, pigments. I have written redox carriers. अभी हम photosynthesis पढ़ेंगे, then redox carrier you will come in contact with all these terminologies. Okay. And photosystem 1, photosystem second, leave it. So students, this is all detail about the chloroplast. Okay, and here let me write down permeable.